In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Instagram account. If you've decided it's time to step away, I'll guide you through the exact path in both the app and a web browser, explain what to expect, and share a few tips to make the process smoother. First, make sure you're logged in to the Instagram account you want to remove. You can do this from the mobile app or by visiting Instagram in your browser. Next, open the menu. Look for the three horizontal lines labeled More. On the app, you'll find this in the bottom left area of your screen. On the web, it appears in the top menu. From there, go into Settings. At the top of the settings screen, select Account Center. This is where Instagram manages connected settings across meta services, so most account level actions live here now. Inside Accounts Center, choose Personal Details, then go to Account Ownership and Control. This is the section that handles deactivation and deletion. Select deactivation or deletion to proceed. If you have more than one Instagram profile connected, you'll be asked to pick which account you want to remove. Make sure you select the correct one. Now choose Delete Account and tap or click Continue. Instagram will ask you to pick a reason for deleting your account. Select the option that fits your situation and continue. You'll then need to re-enter your password to confirm the request. This is a security check to ensure the request is coming from you. To finalize, confirm by selecting Delete your account. At this point, your deletion request is submitted. Here's what happens next. Instagram provides a grace period, typically 30 days. During this time, your account is scheduled for deletion but not yet permanently removed. If you change your mind, simply log back in before the grace period ends to cancel the request. If you don't log in during that time, the deletion becomes permanent and your account and content are removed. One important tip before you delete, consider downloading your data so you keep a copy of your photos, videos, and posts. You can do this in Account Center under your information and permissions by selecting Download Your Information. This process can take a little time, so it's best to start it before confirming deletion. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.